I'm Melanie Gable, and this is my daughter Clara, and we're reporting for Attractions Magazine. We are here at LEGOLAND, California to try out their brand new family-friendly roller coaster, the Galacticoaster.
Yeah, it's gonna be really, really fun.
Yeah, and it's in a whole new area of the park, so we'll give you a tour of that as well. So come along and join us. So we just went on the Galactic Coaster. What did you think of it? I was scared.
It was very fun, but very scary.
Yeah,
scary, but
there
fun.
were little kids on it who were totally brave and fine, but I was really scared.
And I was very brave too. But
You
also,
were brave.
I was very scared as well.
But they had so many cool effects. So the cars...
Yeah, you can make your own spaceship, and it's so awesome to see yourself sit in your own spaceship, and you get to see it totally built and everything. It's so fun.
Yeah, you go to a screen and you customize your spaceship, and then they show it on the screen, and then you go on the coaster, and it's like indoors, and it's space themed, so there are bricks everywhere, and it's all lit up like space.
It's very fun, and you can
the
go
cars
up, down,
spin.
up, down.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very, very fun.
Yeah, it was really exciting. So yeah, you definitely have to check it out if you come to LEGOLAND, California.
So fun.
Alright, we just had some food at Galactic Grub. So you go to a kiosk. Oh yes, they gave us some desserts. We have some macaroons and then an alien cookie. And so you go to a kiosk and you order, and then they call your number on those screens that are up here. And then you go to one of the windows and you pick up your food. So it was really easy.
Yeah,
and
it was
good.
really easy.
And it was good, and we've got our cute little dessert, so we're gonna go ahead and have those.